Stir-fry is a very common form of cooking in Asian cultures, and there are many forms of it in Japan. Among the most popular of these is yakisoba, or fried noodles. Reports of where this dish originated vary, but most people say it originated post-World War II in Asakusa, a district in the Taito ward of Tokyo. In this climate, cheap noodles provided nutrition for many people who were struggling after the war. Welcome to this episode of Ramen Regions. Asakusa was among the places that sustained heavy damage from bombing raids in World War II. Even so, it's known for many beautiful landmarks, such as the Sensoji Temple. This temple is Tokyo's oldest and most significant temple, rebuilt after being destroyed in a World War II air raid as a symbol of rebirth and peace to the Japanese people. It's also known for various food establishments, so it's no surprise that yakisoba may have originated there. The defining features of yakisoba is the use of a special yakisoba sauce and the fact that it uses noodles more like what you might find in other noodle stir-fries. Since the introduction of ready-made noodles into Japan's supermarkets, yakisoba has also been a popular dish for home cooks. Different regions of Japan use different sauces, from the more sour and spicy sauce of Eastern Japan to the sweeter sauce of Western Japan. Every region in Japan also has their own version of yakisoba, from the egg-topped yakisoba of Ishinomaki to the squid ink noodles of Itogawa's black yakisoba. Many accomplished chefs have also taken on yakisoba, turning this simple dish into something gourmet. The word soba might be familiar as the word for Japanese buckwheat noodles, but in this case, it refers to noodles that are much more similar to the thin, straight noodles you might be familiar with from certain kinds of ramen. Like most kinds of stir-fry, yakisoba can be made with whatever's in the fridge. It's the perfect dish for using up any extra vegetables you might have. Traditionally, yakisoba is made with some kind of pork and a variety of vegetables. Cabbage and carrots are common additions, as are bean sprouts and onion. Much like another Japanese dish, okonomiyaki, topping yakisoba with seaweed or bonito flakes, pickled ginger, and mayonnaise is also common. Shichimi, a spicy Japanese seasoning, and sesame seeds are also often added for flavor. For our version of yakisoba, we cooked the noodles first according to the package directions. After removing the noodles, we cooked thin slices of pork belly for protein, although you could also use bacon, carrots for color, and cabbage for a little texture. Then, we add the noodles back into the pan along with the seasoning packet. We sprinkled scallions and pickled ginger over the top to add a hint of freshness. Oh, and don't forget to add the included packet of seaweed flakes. If you've been craving chow mein, why not try making the Japanese version instead? Because it's so easy and simple, yakisoba is the perfect dish to make for a quick meal that doesn't heat up your house. Itadakimasu!